Across India, industries are rising, ambitions are growing, and possibilities are expanding. As demand accelerates in India, ABB is bringing global high-power rectifiers expertise closer to customers, creating a new chapter of manufacturing strength and technological leadership. For decades, Switzerland has been the global center for ABB's rectifier technology and R&D. China strengthened this legacy with world-class manufacturing scale. Today, India joins this global network, adding agility, customization, and closer collaboration with customers across the region. What began as a capacity of 20 rectifiers a year in Nelamangala Plant 1 is now scaling rapidly. Our new facility in Nelamangala Plant 2 will enable us to produce up to 50 rectifiers annually, supporting India's growing metals and chemical industries with unmatched responsiveness.
Building HPR capability in India is a significant milestone in strengthening our manufacturing ecosystem. Our rectifiers support mission-critical applications across metal industries such as aluminum, copper, and zinc, as well as chemical processes including caustic and chlorine. With the localization of MCR1000 platform in our expanded manufacturing facility, we are enhancing delivery capacity and operational agility.
At ABB, we design and manufacture high current and medium current rectifiers for demanding industrial applications. Our high current rectifiers operate at up to 2000 volts and 220 kiloamperes. With expanded manufacturing capacity at ABB India, we are further strengthening MCR1000 production, delivering up to 1000 volts and 200 kiloamperes. And every control panel is designed and built indigenously, which enables full control over performance, safety, and reliability.
MCR1000 is engineered to deliver exceptional reliability, optimized performance, and high level of protection for the demanding environment. It is scalable semiconductor design and robust control architecture ensures long-term durability, consistent operation. With rigorous testing aligned to our global standards, we offer customers a solution that is both technologically advanced and practically dependable. Our focus is always on enabling maximum uptime and delivering a true value to our customers.
Our rectifiers power some of the most demanding industrial applications, from aluminum smelters and copper refineries to caustic, chlorine, zinc processing, paper industries, and graphitization. Wherever continuous DC power is critical, ABB rectifiers deliver stability and maximum uptime. The MCR1000 is built for performance, engineered with optimized components, scalable semiconductor options, and shared architecture with ABB's High Current Rectifier series.
Having high-power rectifier manufacturing in India significantly strengthens our ability to support customer projects from ground up. We can offer faster response, better customization, and closer collaboration, especially for metals and chemical applications, where reliability and timelines are extremely critical. This local presence translates directly into higher confidence and better outcome for our customers.
Systems made in India, ready for the world.